Hello everyone, it's your boy Olali Diamond. Welcome to my channel. Like I said my channel is going to be in two different sections. One for my vlog, where I'll be giving videos on my adventure, my travels, and also good content about my content and Africa. So, and the other section is going to be on just like learning aspects. I'm going to be giving tutorials on different kind of software. So this video is going to be the first video where I'm going to be explaining how to use the software, and the software we are going to be talking about is AfterEffect. AfterEffect is a very popular software. It's good for video editing and motion graphics and others. It's a very powerful software. So today I want to do a basic bounce animation using this software. So if you are trying to learn to use this software, this tutorial is good for you, as I'm going to show you some key elements in creating this kind of bounce animation. So let's get started. Launch your After Effects software and create a new composition. You can either create a new composition from this place or go to composition and click on new composition. Set everything to whatever you prefer. Let me rename it to bounce. Then I'm going to give it 5. Let me give it 3 seconds. The duration. So I'm going to leave it like this. So you can change the parameters to your own preference. Let's get started. So I've created the composition. The next thing is to create a basement. The basement is going to act like the solid ground where the ball will be bouncing from. To do that, let me use the rectangle tool. The rectangle tool is a very good tool to use for this kind of thing. So yes, I think this is okay. This is going to be our basement. Let me rename it as basement. Basement. Okay. Then let me use ellipse tool to create our ball. Holding down the shift key so that I will create a perfect sphere or circle. Oh, that's it. Let me rename this layer to as ball. Yes, so let me return the anchor point to the bottom center of the ball using the anchor point tool. Yes, because I really need this when I'm animating this ball. So next thing is to use the transform property of the sphere or the circle or whatever you call it, or the ellipse. The transform property is what you are going to use to do the magic. I don't know, but let me just say magic. So taking this taking the position of this ball as my first point, so I'm going to key in a keyframe using the position, then move up to like 10 frames, and then change the position from up here to down here so that it will hit the basement. I'm going to click and hold the shift key to maintain a perfect straight line down to the basement here. Sorry. Okay, yes, so let's check what we have created. So now I'm going to make this bulb contrast a little bit and act like a flexible or an elastic object. So to do that, I'm going to use the scale property. The scale property is a very good example to use here. So let me go to frame further, 10, then 12. So let me key in the scale. Then I'm going to go another 2 frame further, 1, 2. Then use the scale of the ball. Then another 2 frame further, and also I'm going to return the ball back to 100%. With that, I'm going to copy the property of this ball here, copy it to this place. So I'm going to copy it back to this place. Yes, so let's check what we have created. The ball is coming down, it hit the basement, go down a bit, then come up a bit, and then from there it will begin the journey going back up. Let's take it to like 25 frames and then return the ball back to the air. So let me take this one, let me bring it here. Let's see what we are going to get. Yes, now you see, yes, we just create basic bounce animation. Now you can use these and do whatever you like with this. I hope this tutorial helps a lot. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, give me a thumb up, and also hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching. Welcome once again.